This is a version of Over the Rainbow. This version by Israel Kameko Viva Ole, the Hawaiian singer and activist. Breda is also called. So what I want to do is play the changes, the chord changes first, and then the melody out of the chord changes if we can make that happen. So here we go. Key of C. First off, this is going to be in the key of C, so we're going to start with the C. And when we figure out what the key of a song is, it really means what the resolving chord is. So sort of the center. That happens to be the center of this song right here. So starting with the C. And also you'll notice that the strumming pattern is pretty simple. Bump, ba, bump, 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 ba, bump, bump is what I'm aiming at, right? Down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up. So try to stick to that if we can. Pretty straightforward. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, something like that anyway. And that'll do for now. So I'll say the names of the chords as I'm going to play them. First off, C. C we're going to play two different ways because basically the melody. So you can hear C, C, right? So we're going to play a C like this to start with one finger on the 3rd fret. And then switch to our E minor, which is 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the C string. That's your E minor. Then in F, which is pretty straightforward, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, 1st finger on the 1st fret of the E string, and then back to the C again, 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. Then your F, 2nd finger again, 2nd fret of the G string, 1st finger, 1st fret of the E string, and back to a C, 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the A string, back to a G. That makes that triangle kind of shape, which is 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the C string, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, and 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and A minor, which is also a 1-finger chord. That would be 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. And then to get an F from your A minor is pretty simple. You just put your 1st finger on the 1st fret of the E string. So again, C, E minor, F, back to C, F, C, G, A minor, 2 and F. Okay. Now if you're going to play the melody out of that song, it might sound something like this. So starting again, that would be from our C. Just a simple C. Now the C at the 2nd position. Now the E minor. Sorry. F. To the 2nd fret and back to the C. To the F. The A minor. Sorry, G. Shoot. F. To a C. G. A minor again. To the F. time. C, E minor, that's second fret, right? Now to the F, now to the C again. Now F, F again, C, G, A minor, one, two, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll notice too that when I'm playing a chord, I get some mileage out of just picking the individual notes out of that chord. So, for instance, if I'm holding the G shape, I can just pick 4 and 1, 2 and 3, or some combination of that. And with my right hand, what I'm doing is I'm picking. This is how I play both guitar and ukulele. Is generally pick alternate between my left and right hand, like so. So that takes a little practice, but what's happening is you're playing thumb, first finger, thumb, first finger, thumb, first finger, thumb. And it's a repeated pattern. So I would say take your time. If you want to play like that, my recommendation is that you play way slower than you want to, just to start with. Like, as long as it's in time, really, really slow, glacially slow, you might find to be helpful. And then once you get the notes and the fingering sort of under your hand, muscle memory, you can speed up. But I would definitely try to do it as slow as you can possibly stand to start with. And there you go. Have some fun with this too.